Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to the Decor Diary, your go to channel for the latest, most beautiful, and inspiring home decor ideas that can completely transform your space with style, elegance, and smart creativity. Where we bring you everything from trendy makeovers or stunning setups, eye catching home decor inspirations, and today a special focus on one of the most ignored space of your home, the understair area, because home decor is not just about big rooms but about making every single corner beautiful and useful, from elegant vase and fresh greenery to style mirrors, beautiful wall frames, trendy shelves, cozy sitting spot, and compact yet stunning storage space. This video is all about turning your dull stair space into a jaw-dropping designer corner. So get ready to see over 95 plus fresh and modern understair storage and wall frame ideas for 2025, where you will discover creative ways to place flower vase under stair to bring life to the corner, gorgeous greenery setup with planters and pots that instantly freshness up your stairs entry, stylish mirrors that not only makes the space look bigger but also reflect light beautifully, and amazing wall frame combinations that fill up the walls with artistic style, from minimalistic black and white frame, colorful gallery walls, also including floating the box shelves where you can display books, decorative pieces, candles, or personal collection. You will love the cute little sitting area created under stairs with soft, cozy benches or puff where you can enjoy your tea or coffee. We have also added clever hidden storage ideas where drawers and cabinets fit perfectly under step to store shoes, bags, toys, or seasonal items, stylish book, rank, sleek bag hooks, and even elegant key holders that keep your essential organized while looking high end. For those who love color themes, you will see setup from calm, neutral shade, warm wooden tone to bold statement color like deep green, wooden cream, and rich burgundy that create luxury vibes. From modern homes. You will find clean LED lighting under steps, floating stairs with hidden cabinet, glass frame stairs based metallic finish, and soft area rugs. And for cozy homes, there are farmhouse touches with wooden planks, cute baskets, woven texture, and rustic frames with every picture showing how understairs space turned from boring to breathtaking. It's not just about decor but making your home practical too, with smart multi-purpose design like understairs, libraries, compact reading corner, pet space, mini garden, mini bar, shoe displays, or even tiny home office. Every idea in this video is perfect for adding beauty while keeping your home neat and organized, making it easy achieve a modern lifestyle without a big renovation. So enjoy this collection for the trendiest understairs design. For get inspired, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, because the Decor Diary brings you fresh videos every day.